Hey kids, it's Mr. A here with another video workout. Today we're going to be using kettlebells. Now, kettlebell is a heavy weight with a handle on top. Now you may have one at home that you can use. If you don't, I'm going to show you how to make one. One way we can make a kettlebell is to just grab a lunchbox with a handle and then fill it up with some heavy objects. So I got some heavier snacks in here, and I got a water bottle, and that gives it a little bit of weight. Another way you can make a kettlebell is to grab a bag with some nice strong handles, because we don't want it to break as we're working out, and then just fill it up with things that you have around the house. In this kettlebell, I have about 8 bean bags. Now, no matter which kettlebell you choose, just make sure it's very light. Today we're just working on good form, and we want to use a lightweight so that we don't get any injuries. Okay, let's begin with some warm-ups to get those muscles going, and then we'll start our workout. Okay, jumping jacks, feet together, bring those hands up as we jump. Ready to go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, dropping into some squats, feet shoulder width apart. Push those hips back and go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, last thing we're going to warm up is our shoulders with some arm circles. Ready to go? Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, round number 1, the kettlebell I'm going to use is, I'm going to use the heavy lunch bag one. Just going to work on my form with the first one. Then our second round, I'll grab that heavier one. All right, first exercise we're going to do with the kettlebells is called around the world. So we're going to pass it around our waist 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse, going the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I'm going to bring that lunch bag up to my chin, and I'm going to do some front squats. Ready, set, go, squats. Taking those hips back, bending those knees. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. Now we're going to kettlebell curls to work our bicep muscles. Grab the handles, and you're going to bring it down to your knees and up to your neck 10 times. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Now we're going to do a really tough exercise. It's going to work our hamstrings. That's the back of our legs. Called a deadlift. I'll turn to the side so you can see my form. Keep your back straight, bend the knees, push your hips back for good deadlift form. All right, start the lunch bag down on the ground. 10 times, you're going to lift it straight up. Ready, straight up. 1, 2, keep your arms nice and locked. 3, 4, don't bend those elbows. 5, 6, straight back. 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, our next exercise is the upright row. So your lunch bag or your kettlebell is going to hang down by your knees. And we're going to pull it up straight up to our chin, squeezing those shoulder muscles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tighten those shoulder muscles and the neck muscles as they're coming up. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. Last one we're going to do is a sitting one. It's called a Russian twist. It's going to work our calf muscles. You're going to put those legs straight out in front of you, and we're going to twist, touching the bag to the opposite side each time. All right, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Use those abs. 8, 9, 10. All right, great job in round 1 of our workout. Go get a water break, come on back, and then I'm going to grab our heavier kettlebell, and we'll go through the workout one more time. All right, welcome back to round number 2. We're going to do the same 6 exercises. Now, if your kettlebell is a little too light, you can add some objects to your bag to make it a little more challenging. What I'm going to do in this round is I'm going to grab the real kettlebell and I'll go through the exercises with that. Okay, exercise number 1, round the world. Here we go. Pass the kettlebell, one hand to the other. Let's do 5, 3, 4, and 5. And reverse, going the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And going into our front squats, bring your kettlebell up to your chest. Hold the handles nice and tight. Roll yourself down into a squat. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pushing those hips back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Now we're going into our kettlebell curl. Grabbing the handles, kettlebell starts on my knee, and bringing it up, working our biceps. 1, 2, keep those elbows tucked to your side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to work our hamstrings again by doing those deadlifts. Standing to the side, put your kettlebell on the ground, using good form by pushing our hips back, using our leg muscles, keeping our back straight. Ready, set, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. Turning back to the front, we're going to do our upright rows. Kettlebell starts on my knee. Now I squeeze my shoulders, hold that weight up. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, squeeze those shoulders, and 10. Great one. Sitting on the ground, let's finish with our Russian twist. All right, use those upper body muscles to swing that kettlebell to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. All right, great job on that kettlebell workout. Again, whenever you lift weights, start out light. Work on your form, and you can increase the weight as your form improves. Now that was a tough workout. I'm pretty tired and sweaty after that, so I'm gonna go take a break, and I'll see you guys next time for another PE workout.